Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and start the free trial on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. After installing it, opening it up, you are going to go and be greeted by the home page from where you can get started with using your free trial. So as you can see, currently I have already started the free trial and this is how your main page is going to look like once you've done that. But before you can get to this main page right here, the first screen you're going to see is to log into your account and from there start a free trial. There is no free option to use this application, so you can only use it with a premium subscription or with a 7-day free trial that is going to be offered to you at the beginning of the usage of the application. So it's going to look like an example offer where you can go ahead and click who you want your team leader to be and who you want your coach to be, and from there you can go ahead and get started selecting how you want to pay. So once you've done that, we can get started opening this home page and starting to use the application. So here on the workout page, we can get started with learning who our team leader is, and then we have the chat options right here, teams, nutrition, and so on. All of that is going to be available to us to go ahead and get started using the application once we have started with the free trial, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.